Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida. We have the inline filter box, and this is the one that we attach to the side of any one of our SE series truck mounts or any one of the truck mounts out there today. Doesn't matter which truck mount it is. If you got one that you want to put one of these handy inline filter boxes, and instead of having the stainless basket, we just put the liners that they sell in many other places in the carpet cleaning industry, and we can sell a whole bunch of those to you, or you can clean them out individually, but it just seems to be a whole lot easier to maintain. And we have a cam lock and a Velcro strap holding it on, so it's not going anywhere. And as you can see, it is all stainless bushing, 2.5 to 2 inch stainless pipe nipple, 2 inch handy bracket. We can also make brackets for the bottom as well if you decide to just put it down on the floor. And we got your inlet coming in at 2 inch barb with the stainless 2 inch to 2.5. Everything's TIG welded, 3/16 thick stainless. Real nice setup here. We got the handle here and the top. Just a really nice setup. So call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll be sure to get you the best inline filter in the market today. It's not something that's on the ground where you could trip over or a customer could trip over. It'll be right on the side. It can go on this side or the other side, depending on, it doesn't really matter which truck mount that you have. This is pretty much of a universal type fit. So go on the store, truckmountstore.com, and we'll be sure to give you more information. The dimensions, which I think are about 12.5 by 6.5 by about 8 5/8 tall. And you'll love the quality of what we put together at Blue Baron Factory. Call us today at 727-505-2989 or look us up online at the truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.